Today let's study about the how to solve the transcendental equations using bisection method. See, here is one problem using bisection method in 6 stages to obtain a root of the equation f of x equals to cos x minus x into e power x equal to 0. Solution: let f of x is equals to, consider this is this equation f of x equals to cos x minus x into e power x. Already we know that real root bounds between positive and negative values, in between positive and negative values. We have to find values intervals. We let x equals to 0, f of 0 is equals to cos 0 is equals to 1 minus 0 into anything 0 is equals to 1. If 1 is positive. Now x equals to 1, f of 1 cos 1 in minus 1 into e power 1. Now see here, before doing that I have to tell you one thing. See, algebraic equation using, you will use the, see here, degree. When you are solving the transcendental equations, you have to keep your calculator in rad, in the mode of rad. Now your calculator is in rad mode. Now type the equation here. See here, cos 1 minus 1 into, you want e, right? Shift e 1 equal to minus 2.12. I'm here 79 is there. I make whole number here 80. See, it is a negative number. Before we got it positive number. Therefore, the real root bounded between 0 and 1. Therefore, f of 0 is positive and f of 1 is negative. The root lies in the interval 0 and 1. Now, for the first stage, see students, already and before problem solve, I wrote like this. I wrote like this. It is not necessary to you write this terms, because ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಲಿ ಅನ್ನೋ ಒಂದು ಪರ್ಪಸ್ಗೋಸ್ಕರ ನಾನು ಈ ಥರ ಬರಿತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ನೀವು ಇಫ್ ಯು ವಾಂಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ರೈಟ್, ಎಲ್ಸ್ ಯು ಡೋಂಟ್ ವಾಂಟ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ. ಇಟ್ಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಆನ್ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಇಯರ್. ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಐ ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ರೈಟ್ ಇಯರ್ because you have to understand clearly. Here see, first stage x1 is equals to ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, a ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಬಿ ಬೈ 2 ಅಲ್ವಾ ನಮಗೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಅಪ್ರಾಕ್ಸಿಮೇಷನು. ಇಲ್ಲೇನಿದೆ, a ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ 0, b ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಇಸ್ 1. ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, 1 ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ 2 ಇಸ್ 0.5. f of x1 is equals to f of 0.5 is equals to cos 0.5 minus 0.5 into e power 0.5. See here, how to type means, see here, cos 0.5 minus, use the bracket, 0.5, close the bracket, into e power. Each term you have to use the you have to enter shift, then after e. Don't type this one for power, type directly 0.5 equals to 0.0532. It's a positive term, right? It is a positive term. Therefore, now f of 1 is equals to minus 2.1280 and f of 0.5 is 0.0532. Therefore, the roots lies between 0 to 1. And it is now the root lies between x1 to 1. This is because the 1 is negative, x1 is positive. Now second approximation, x2 is equals to 1 plus 0.5 by 2. You add and divide by, you will get 0.75. Now f of x2 equal to, in place of x2 you put 0.72 is equals to cos of 0.72 minus 0.75 into e power 0.5. You use the calculator. Before how I used there, use same as it is. You have to keep your calculator in the rad mode only. You will get 0.8562 minus, you will get here minus, here you will get the minus sign. Therefore f of x2 is negative and f of x1 is positive. x1 is positive. Now x1 f of x2 is negative. Therefore the roots lies between x1 and x2. Now third approximation is x3 is equals to 0.5 plus 0.75 divided by 2. You add and multiply, add and divided by 2, you will get 0.62. f of x3 is equals to f of 0.625 is equals to, see here also you will get the same, see, cos 0.625 minus 0.625 into shift e power 0.625. You will get minus sign. Again you will get 0.35 is 3566 is minus sign. Therefore f of x2 is a negative and f of x1 is positive. See here the roots lies between x2 and x1. Here again you are getting x3 is here negative. Therefore roots lies between x3 and x4. The roots lies between x1 value is 0.1 and x3 value is 0.625. Fourth approximation, x4 divided by 1 by 2 into 0.5 plus 0.625. You add this and divided by 2, you will get 0.5625. f of x4 is equals to f of 0.5625 is equals to, see you again you will do here, you will get this, again you will get same minus sign, cos 0.5625 minus 0.5625 into shift e power e 0.5625. You will get again minus sign, minus 0.112 0.141 minus 0.1412. Now the minus here, again you are getting here minus and therefore f of x4 is negative and f of x1 is positive. The root lies between 0.5 and 0.5625. See x4 and x1, the again your roots lies between x4 and x1. Therefore again we have to find x5 here. How to still x5 approximation, xy is equals to 0.5 plus 0.5625 by 2. You add and divided by 2, you will get 0.5312. Again you put this answer in the equation f of x5, you will get f of 0.5312 equal to cos of, see again you will get a cos of, before I type, how I typed, you type like this, you will get a minus, again you will get minus 0.40413. Therefore f of x5 is negative and f of x1 is positive. The root lies between 0.5 and 0.5312. They told to sixth approximation is a real appropriated root. So therefore we have to stop the sixth approximation. We have to find sixth approximation, then we have to stop there. Therefore, so f of x6 is equals to x5 plus x1 divided by 2 equal to 0.5312 plus 0.5 divided by 2, you will get 0.5156. The required root is 0.5156.